I had a knee replacement and I've been coming to OsteoStrong and I've been doing much better. My name is Claire and I'm from Anaheim, California. I have diagnosed osteoporosis and it's been getting worse the last few DEXA scans that I've had. So my gynecologist told me to come here. And at the same time, I had just had a knee replacement and I was having a lot of problems on the tendons and the muscles around my knee, still being sore even after getting my range of motion back. Anything that will help my osteoporosis, I won't know for sure until I get my next DEXA scan how much it's helping, but I feel much better. My knee rehabilitation has improved quite a bit. I especially like the Normatec boots and the BioCharger and the red light room are my favorite three things. Definitely the osteogenic loading I feel will make a great improvement in my osteoporosis. I've been told not to do a lot of things because they're afraid if I fall that I'll break something. So hopefully I'll get back to doing everything that I wanted to do, but I do Pilates and I do walk, and since I've been coming here I've been able to increase my walking from about 1 mile to 5 miles at a time, and I do that about 4 times a week. If you had a knee replacement and if you have problems with osteopenia or osteoporosis, come to OsteoStrong. Getting older does not mean getting weaker. Stay strong with OsteoStrong.